Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. Kids, let's learn colors name yellow, blue, orange, red, black, green, violet, green, pink, sky blue, purple and brown color. Black color A, B, C, D. Yellow color A, B, C, D. Orange color A, B, C, D. Sky blue color A, B, C, D. Pink color A, B, C, D. Violet color A, B, C, D. Red color A, B, C, D. Green color A, B, C, D. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.